What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you the best VPN to use whether you're inside or outside of Belize. There's a lot of cybercrime in Belize, and protecting your online security should be your top priority, especially when you're on a public Wi-Fi. Obviously, the best way to stay safe is by using a VPN. And of course, if you're outside of Belize and you're trying to unblock a website or streaming services such as Netflix that are exclusive to Belize, you can use the Belize server within this VPN. I've tested dozens of VPN and this one always comes at the top. The name of the VPN is Surfshark, and this VPN has got more than 3,200 servers within 99 countries, and you will virtually be able to secure unlimited devices within just a single subscription using Surfshark. And it's just one of the best VPNs out there. Super easy to use, a lot of value for what you're paying, and you get all the necessary security features. You don't have to pay all that much for it. You get 30 days money back guaranteed. So if you're not satisfied, and you can get your money back. And of course, you'll be able to find the links to the pricing and discounts in the description down below.